The Next Generation Squad Weapon Rifle, NGSW-R XM7, is a modular, piston-operated, selectable fire, magazine-fed, 6.8mm rifle designed to replace the M4A1 carbine in close combat. The development of the XM7 is part of the United States Army's larger Next Generation Squad Weapon, NGSW program. This program aims to enhance the combat capability of modern infantry against new threats, particularly those using the latest generation of body armor, which is rated capable of withstanding 5.6 x 5mm NATO ammunition at certain ranges. The XM7 rifle uses high-pressure 6.8 x 1mm ammunition, delivering significantly greater firepower than the M4 carbine. This new caliber is designed to ensure soldiers maintain accuracy, penetrating power, and effectiveness at medium to long ranges. In addition to increased stopping power, the ammunition also allows for better penetration of modern ballistic protection. By design, the XM7 adopts a short-stroke gas piston system, known for its greater reliability under extreme conditions than the traditional direct impingement system found on the M4. This mechanism helps reduce carbon buildup in the weapon's internal components, increasing reliability when used in dusty, muddy environments or during prolonged operations. The XM7 is also modular, allowing for the installation of various accessories to meet mission requirements. Picatinny rails and a modern mounting system allow for the integration of optics, lasers, tactical lights, grips, and silencers. In its standard configuration, the rifle is fitted with a silencer to reduce muzzle flash, gunshot noise, and blast pressure experienced by the shooter. One of the most prominent features is the use of the advanced Vortex XM157 sight system. This optic combines variable magnification, a laser rangefinder, a ballistic computer, environmental sensors, and a digital display to help the shooter improve accuracy in a variety of combat conditions. This technology is considered a major leap forward in modernizing infantry equipment. Ergonomically, the XM7 maintains a layout familiar to soldiers previously using the M4A1, making the transition to training easier. Despite its heavier weight due to the use of high-pressure ammunition and new optics, this rifle offers significantly superior performance in terms of range and terminal effectiveness. In addition to the XM7, the NGSW program also produced the XM250 squad support weapon, designed to replace the M249 SAW submachine gun. These two weapon systems are expected to form the new backbone of the United States Army's modern infantry in the coming decade. The implementation of the XM7 marks a major shift in modern infantry weapons doctrine. After decades of relying on the 5.56mm platform, the military is re-emphasizing the combination of high firepower, long-range accuracy, and penetration capabilities against future threats on the modern battlefield.